Did you just see an ad for RestoraBowl claiming it can make your toilet spotless in seconds with almost zero scrubbing? Well, before you buy it, here's what you need to know. So RestoraBowl markets itself as a powerful foaming toilet cleaner that removes stains using oxygen-based cleaning. Sounds impressive, right? But here's where things get sketchy. One scam detection site even gave it a trust score of just 16.7 out of 100. Now, to be fair, that does not automatically prove it's a scam. Some new stores are legit, but there are red flags. Very new website, almost no verified customer reviews, heavy social media advertising, big promises with limited proof, no strong third-party reputation yet. And here's the craziest part. I searched Reddit and review forums, and there are basically no real long-term user reviews for RestoraBowl yet. That's a huge warning sign when a product suddenly blows up online. Meanwhile, professional cleaners on Reddit say strong toilet cleaners can work for deep stains, but miracle instant clean claims are usually exaggerated. Also, experts warn that some aggressive toilet cleaning products can actually damage surfaces or toilet parts over time. So, is RestoraBowl legit? Right now, there's not enough proof to fully trust it yet. It might work, but it also checks multiple scam warning boxes. So if you're thinking of buying it, use a protected payment method, avoid impulse buying from ads, and wait for more verified reviews first. Because sometimes the dirtiest thing in your bathroom isn't the toilet, it's the marketing.